Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Third period here, 20 minutes back on the board. We have a penalty, I believe, Timbo? 1:12 left in our penalty to Ziegler. Here we go, here we go. Neufeld, Fairzy, Emery. Emery dumps that down. Good play by Emery there. Get that down. All right. 1 minute left in that in our Jets penalty here. Blizzard are just going to dump that in. All right, they're going to get set up here. Almost by Neufeld, almost picks that off. Good play by Neufeld there to get back in the play. I like that. He gets that out. Perfect. Fairzy dumps it down. He's going to come for a change. 30 seconds left here. 30 seconds left. Offside. Offside. We got offside. I got offside here. Yep. Offside. I got it. It's okay. No problem. No harm done. No harm done. No harm done. Good play. Good play by Baldwin here. Three seconds left here. 18:51 left in the third period. A whole bunch of whistles here. Big draw by Revenue here. Big draw to win this back. He kind of did. Went off the referee's leg there. Shot from the point. Rebound. All even up. Even Stevens here. Even Stevens. There we go. Vermette's going to skate. He's going to go up. Nope. Just a bit outside that pass. Baldwin's going to stop that here. No go. No go. All right. Robidoux, Vermette, Roland, Radley, Ginter. Schrader jumps there a bit. Vermette's going to pick that. Trip. We got a chip. We got a chip. I got that one. I got it. I got it.
Wow.
Yours at home. I had that for a trip there. All right. Vermette. Vermette's going to pick this up. High stick. No high stick. Nothing there. Unger. Unger shot. Does squeak by. Roland tries to get that out. Robidou's going to go. We're going to get a changement here. Change. Everybody's going to change. Whole kit and caboodle. Oh, Neufeld almost there. Neufeld gets it back. Ziegler takes a hard hit there. Levac's going to come back here. He's got to retrieve. Schrader on him. Como up the middle. Fairzy almost picks that off. Yeah. Neufeld. Fairzy keeps that in. Yeah. Back to work here. Fairzy. Ziegler keeps that in. No. No offside there. Neufeld's going to skate up the middle there. He's going to go up the gut. Ziegler tries to pressure Zubov. I know it's not Zubov. Don't worry, folks. Don't worry. I know. Just having some fun like I do. Levac, good play off the boards. Does it get out? Robidou's going to throw it in. Gets knocked down by Jowett. Como working hard. Back to Ruir. Ruir can't get that. Levac goes in for the hit. He keeps it in. Ruir keeps it in. Off Levac's foot. A little bit of pressure. Oh, Ruir all that work and then just gives it back. Levac's got to retrieve. He's got double duty here.
Wheels. Back door.
Almost. Some sort of breakdown there. Levac's going to take off. He's going to skate. He's going to go up the gut. 2 guys. Back to him. Too late, though.
Oh,
Good
thank
play.
God he got that.
1 guy here. Neufeld. Back to Dallas. Vermette. Nope. He can't capitalize. Looking for that go-ahead goal here. Go-ahead goal. Neufeld buzzing. Neufeld's buzzing today. I like that. I like his play today, Neufeld. Okay. Yeah. I like it. Vermette's going to come off here. Vermette, we're going to give Vermette a little rest there. Well-deserved rest there. He went to work. That's good play. Okay. Emery Como, Coulomb, Roland, and Neufeld's going to stay out there. I like it. Good lineup. Coulomb's got this. Yeah, he's gonna try to go around him. Puck does not get out. Now it does. Neufeld makes sure of that. That's okay. All right. Puck goes. Emery's gonna go retrieve that.
Oh,
that's
scary stuff.
That's a double banker there. Don't like that. Como. Unger keeps that in. Schrader from the point. All alone. Rebound. Nope. Bucher can't handle that. Roland taking off the puck there. Great play by Coulomb there. Puck goes up the gut. On net. Yeah, Menard's going to stop that. That was on net there. He's going to go up. We're going to change the D here. Bradley comes in. Bounces off. No ice. Deflected there. 14-17 left in the third period. 2-2 tie. Jets looking for that go-ahead goal. Ginter takes the body. Good play. Schrader makes a great move here. Schrader still got it. Tries a little how's she going. All right. Jets crowd there getting rebound, big rebound. That's okay. Dal gets that. Great play by Ginter to relieve the pressure there. Verzi takes the hit, makes the play. That's how it's done. And a shot. Menard stops that. Levac, Ziegler jump on. Rouillé, Neufeld, Vermette. Timbo, pretty quiet over there. What's going on? What's going through your head here?
These close games, I'm always quiet.
Yeah, I know. CBC they asked me to get you talking there, so I'm doing the best I could there. Yeah, Fontaine goes and hits Vermette. Vermette didn't like that. At all. Not one bit. Ziegler's going to come across. Levac's just going to throw that in. Okay, it's just going to get blown down. Nothing on purpose. Tried to get out of the way. Bingo bango, put the puck back on the ice, and let's go. 13:08 left in the third period. Still a 2-2 tie. Jets putting tons of pressure. Nope. On front, shot, save. Ziegler tries to get it out. He can't. Levac. Ziegler. Levac does get that out. Good play. Throws it into the mesh. All right. Here we go. Oh, great save by Baldwin. Great save. Great save. Got to be tougher on the puck, boys. Playoff hockey today. Playoff hockey. Got to get tough. Fairzy buzzing. Fairzy's buzzing. I like that. Fairzy. He goes through him. Tietzen tries to go through Coulombe. No go.
Oh, no.
Emery throws it up the middle there. It's okay. No problem, though. No problem. No problem. We got a changement here. Radley's going to jump on here. Radley's going to pick this up. Radley, little banker. Middle. Just a bit off. Just a bit off today. Something's not clicking with that lane. All right, Robidoux keeps that in. He goes for a change. Radley. Radley's going to skate hard here. He comes around. He gets thrown all the way around. Schrader hits him from behind there. A little bit of hit from behind. Roland tries to go. Oh, try the old Michi. Try the old Michigan. I like it. I like seeing that. Good chance to do it there. Roland's going to come for a change here. He's tired. Como in front. Thought he ordered up a little Mick Como there. No go. Okay. One on one. Little Buchert. Good play by Radley here. Radley's going to put it up. No, he's going to skate that in. No offside. No offside. Everything's good. Uh-oh. Here we go. Puck gets turned over. Buchert tries to get through. Double banger. Vermette hits him. Perfect. Goes right through his guy. Glad to see that. Radley still. Puck's got to get out here. Puck's got to get out. Doesn't. 10:41 left in the third period. 2-2 tie.
There we go. Time.
Neufeld tries to go up the middle. Como swipes at that. Long shot.
Oh my
Just
word! Over the net.
Just over the net. Mick Como almost ordered himself a little combo. Oh, blew a tire. Levac comes in for the hit. Roland intercepts. Great play. Robidoux's going to go up the middle. Vermette's going to go. Dumps it in. Great. No, he's got to try that. He's got to try that shot. Robidoux. Rouillet. Roland. Still rolling. Roland, great pass to Ziegler. You got icing. All right. .938 left in the third period here, Temple.
Yep, now it's getting into real gut check time.
Just a little bit wide. And Dallin. Vermette working hard. Like to see that. Coulombe can't keep it in. Goes to Como. Como dumps that in. 9:20 left in the third period here. Dallas almost interception. Schrader. Good play. Little chipper. No, that's good. That's good play. All right. Okay. Yeah. .905 Timbo left in that third period. Ginter all wrapped up there by Schrader. A little Schrader sandwich there. Here he goes. Oh, throws it up. Roland not happy with that play. Radley's got to throw it around. No, he doesn't. Just giveaway. Don't like that giveaway. Reimer, somebody's got to get on him. He shoots it at the ref. Rouillet keeps it in. Ginter can't find it. He goes to Roland. Roland by himself. He's going to try to go around. A little housey going on Emerson. He can't. They go for the hit. Radley tip. Radley shot, and I believe Rabidou tipped that. All right, gonna change the whole lot here. Levac, Ziegler. We got Vermette, Comeau, Neufeld. Neufeld, great win. I like to see that.
Heads up.
Nope. Yeah, you gotta take a look. Didn't take a look there. Didn't take a look.
That works.
It's okay. He comes back, fights it off.
Offside.
Offside, still offside. Still offside. All right. Good job.
Well,
Yeah, good
gotta
job.
send a D here.
Good job. Yeah. Yeah. Good job. All right, here we go. A little killing here, a little killing. All right, here we go. We got icing on the play here. All right, here we go. Fairzy. Fairzy tries hard there. Fairzy, good play. Roland gonna try to pick Schrader's pocket here. All right, here he comes. They're gonna set up. Gonna go across here. Great block by Roland. Great block. Here it comes. Open. Back door, eh, Kimbo? Gotta watch that back door. Shot. Great save by Baldwin. Another great save. All right, Buchert. Great play by Comeau. Little bingle bangle. Right in net. Here comes Fairzy. Shot.
Oh, yeah.
Uh-oh, here it goes. Great save by Baldwin. Another save by Baldwin. And another. We got some yelling here. Everybody's going. Fairzy blocks that. 10 seconds left. 6:09. Roland can't get it out. Does get it out. There we go. Pucks out. Fairzy take a block there. Emery. He comes off. Radley comes back on. Great save by Baldwin. Beauty. There you go. There we go. People getting pissed off here. Yep. There we go. Not happy. Yeah, ref's got no. That's okay though. That happens. Sometimes you're just not cut out. For the task at hand. It's okay. Everybody has a bad day. Here we go. 5:49 left in the third period here. 2-2. Puck gets thrown across here. Radley, Ginter's got to go here.
Ginter's
got to go. Yeah, you can throw it around. Rui's got to get up there. Thiessen. Oh, great play by Vermette to read that. Read that like a book. I like it. Here he comes. He goes around.
Can't let that.
Decent, looking. Rink wide. Neufeld's going to get there. Neufeld goes cross ice.
Jeez, they like that cross ice.
Back door. Here he goes. Neufeld's going to go first skate. Full change here. Levac's going to jump on. Ziegler. Neufeld's still out there. Neufeld's still working. 44 seconds left in that penalty here. 4:35 left in the third period. 2-2 tie. Great play by Ziegler there. Ryan doesn't see him. Yeah, he got him now. That's okay. We got offside. No. Gets thrown across. Schrader, Neufeld. Puck, where is it? Dallin's still working. Rabideau's got to go hard here. Rabideau goes for a change. Roland's going to jump on here. Roland's going to pick that up. Great play. Fontaine throws it across to Reimer. Levac's going to pick that up.
You got time.
Back to all even Stevens here. Even Stevens. Vermette's going to go up the middle to Roland. Roland's going to skate. He's going to burn by Emerson. No, he does not. Good little how's she going move. Levac from the point. He's going to take a shot. Blocked there. We got icing. Jowett. Oh, just about. Puck gets thrown back in. Levac. Vermette. 3:06 left in that third period. Jowett gets knocked down. Here he goes. Roland's going to go. Levac's going to come off for a change. Ziegler's going to come off for a change. Comeau's got it. He dumps it down low. Vermette, I believe, a little tired here on the play there. Needs a change. Radley's going to come in. He keeps it in. Great play by Radley. Shot from the point. Menard's going to stop that. 2:34 left in this third period. 2-2 tie. .234 left. Here we go. Ziegler, no. Ziegler on the bench. Yeah, good enough. Good hook there, good hook. I like that, I like to see that. Ruir. Ginter, Rabideau. Rabideau's got to get that out. Rabideau. No trip on the play there. No way. Rabideau. Ruir goes up the middle. I like to see him go off the boards there and scores. There it is. Up the middle. Can't go up the middle. Oh, gosh darn it. Rats. Okay, lots of time left, Timbo. 155. 155 left. Okay, here we go. Levac's going to jump up, bank the boards, bank it off. Neufeld up the middle. Nope. Reimer comes in. He takes care of Roland there. They're going to throw it back. We need lots of pressure here. Schrader's going to come in. Throws it around. Ziegler's going to take that. A little chipperoonie. Yeah, still got it. Roland's going to pick that up. Schrader's going to come in. Roland's going to push him off. We got it here. Got to take some chances here. Rabideau jumps on. Rabideau needs some help. Two on the puck here. There it is. Ziegler's going to creep in. There it is. Bingo bango. No go. Levac does keep that in. Hits him in the back. That's good. Neufeld's got to go. 54 seconds left. Third period here. In front. Rolling. Nothing on Roland here. Roland to Ziegler. Ziegler shot. Intercepted there. They do get it out. Ziegler's got to go here. Ziegler. Vermette's going to go. Gets knocked off the puck. Shot up, down. Biggle bango in the net. All right. That's a 4-2. 4-2 here. 4-2. All right, Como, Ferzi, Ruiz, Emery, they're going to come in. 4-2 here. 26 seconds left. Ruiz to Ferzi. Ferzi still going hard. Like to see that. No quitting Ferzi. That's a good play. Comes in here. Shot down. 12 seconds left. Zubov. Ferzi. Ferzi to Como. 5 seconds left. Como's going to take a shot, and that's all she wrote, Timbo. Bingo bango. Little turnover there, Timbo, up the middle. Back of our net. Yeah. Usually the rule is 2 minutes left in the game. You never go up the middle, but that's, yeah. That's how she rolls sometimes. We'll learn from it, eh? We'll learn from that. Yeah. Okay. Timbo, anything to add to that one?
I don't got much to add to that.
Okay. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow, 4:30 in Carmen, taking on the. Who plays out of Carmen?
Central Plains Flyers.
Flyers. It would be the Flyers. Good call there, Timbo.
Yep.
Okay, so we'll see you guys tomorrow, and yeah. Have a great night, and maybe not too many beverages tonight there, Timbo.
Done.
Okay.